This is Andrea with Fantastic Voyages. I am on Royal Caribbean Harmony of the Seas, room 10643. It's the hallway. I gotta show this because it's true. This is a Central Park balcony. There we go. So the bathroom is here on the right. So we will start there. We have the handheld hair and body wash combined, and we have the foot thing, makes shaving easy. Several places for storage, as well as some underneath. We do have a full-length mirror here. Storage. Outlets. And then we do have a hair dryer, and then room service menu. We do have a cooler down here, and they remind you that it is not a refrigerator, it is just a cooler. So it'll keep things cool, but not super cold. So if you have medication that needs to be kept colder, that is not an ideal place for it. We have some storage here as well. A couple drawers. We'll go check out the balcony, which overlooks Central Park. So here we do have one regular plug. I did not look to see if there was a USB anywhere. It does have a regular plug, and you have a small little table there and a small table over here. If the beds were pushed together, then that little table would be on the other side under the light. You can hear, before I go out, you can hear music from the pool deck when you're in here. So it is loud right now. Oh, and then also, for those with little ones, they do have a lock. Oh, wait a minute, I had the wrong way, sorry. Where the pool deck is. Up there. So we'll go back here. Quick view from this side. This is boarding day, so they've definitely got loud music going on. And that is it. Andrea Fantastic Voyages, Royal Caribbean, Harmony of the Seas, Central Park balcony.